Have you ever wondered why prejudice exists? It's a complex issue that affects everyone. Today, we will explore what prejudice is, its components, and why it's so persistent. We will also discuss how change is possible. Prejudice is a negative attitude toward group members. It often arises from stereotypes or misconceptions. These attitudes can be emotional, cognitive, or behavioral. Stereotypes, on the other hand, are oversimplified beliefs about groups. They can be both positive and negative. Discrimination is the unfair treatment based on prejudiced attitudes. Imagine a social worker. This worker feels disgust towards people with substance use disorders. They believe the stereotype that these individuals are dishonest. Consequently, they discriminate by providing fewer resources and shorter appointments. Prejudice is remarkably persistent. One reason is socialization. We learn prejudiced attitudes from parents, peers, and media from a young age. This learning often happens before we can critically question those beliefs. Another reason is automatic activation. Prejudices can become implicit, triggering feelings without conscious thought. Even those who reject prejudice may still act on these automatic responses. Confirmation bias plays a significant role, too. People search for information that confirms their existing beliefs. A social worker who thinks a specific ethnic group is untrustworthy will remember dishonesty from them while ignoring honest behaviors. Self-fulfilling prophecies also contribute. When someone expects another to behave a certain way, their actions can trigger that behavior. For example, if a social worker anticipates hostility from a client, their defensive posture may provoke the expected hostility. Despite its persistence, prejudice can change. In many societies, specific forms of prejudice have decreased. For instance, racial prejudice in the US has declined over the decades. However, it often morphs into subtle, modern forms. Prejudice also varies among individuals and cultures. Understanding its causes is critical for designing effective strategies for change. To summarize, prejudice is a negative attitude towards group members influenced by stereotypes and discrimination. It's persistent due to socialization, automatic responses, confirmation bias, and self-fulfilling prophecies. However, change is possible, and recognizing the nuances of prejudice can help us address it. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe for more insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's work together to understand and combat prejudice.